If you want more time in your life, it helps to know a few shortcuts. That's why we created easy-to-use tools that let you manage most of your account tasks quickly and easily. Here's how to make a payment using your smartphone. First, be sure you've downloaded the American Express app on your smartphone. Open the app and log into your account. Then choose Make a Payment. Make sure you enroll your preferred bank in ePay and confirm the bank account that you are going to use. Confirm the payment date and select the amount you wish to pay. Check the details and then tap Continue. Then tap on Pay Bill to confirm. Once you've submitted your payment, you'll get a confirmation number. That's it. Now you know how to make an American Express payment virtually anywhere. Check out our other videos about managing your American Express account from your phone or the web. American Express. Don't be digital without it. Don't live life without it.